In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to completely automate your income using free AI tools. In other words, how to start earning passive income from social media. So, if you've ever wanted to earn an extra 100,000 or even $10,000 a month by clicking buttons, then this is the video for you. Now, if you hate money, go ahead and click off this video right now. But if you like money and you're ready to use AI to make it, make sure you watch the whole video, and here's why. Right? Because if you want to go somewhere, of course you can just get in your car and start driving. But if you do that, you may never reach your destination. Or worse yet, you might reach a destination that you never wanted to arrive at in the first place. And that's what most people do when it comes to using AI tools. They just sign up, they start using the AI tools, and they hope that money will appear. So that's not really how it works. Of course, the first thing you're going to do if you want to get somewhere is you're going to pull up Google Maps and figure out where you're going. Right? Kind of a no-brainer, right? And another thing I want to preface this video with is that everything I'm going to show you in this video, I do while traveling the country. So here you could see all of the places I've been in the past year or so. Mostly I've spent my time in the southwestern United States, but I've been all over the place. And the point is, all you need to do, what I'm going to show you here, is an internet connection and a laptop. So if you haven't already, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below so you see all the videos I put out in the future about making money online and making money with AI. So for those of you who want to follow what I do outside of making money and using I recommend following me on Instagram. I try to post this type of content on YouTube, but the audiences just don't really mesh. So if you're into seeing outdoor stuff, which is the majority of what I do when I'm not making these tutorials about how to make money online, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram, James Jernigan AI. But let's get started. Let's look at this exact process. So I have a diagram here, and I also have the exact steps that you're going to follow. But before we go any further, comment yes on this video if you would let robots make you extra money every month, because that's essentially what I'm going to be showing you here. Of course, there is a little bit of work. You're going to have to spend a few minutes or a couple hours setting this stuff up, but I'm going to walk you through it and show you exactly how it works. So by the end of this video, you will have no questions. All that will be left is to take the action. So step one, find something that will pay you for promoting it. So I've made this super easy for you to do. Just head over to copythelist.com, and I'll get into this diagram and explain how it works in a second. But first, I want to get you started on how to actually make money with this stuff. If you come to copythelist.com, all you have to do is click one of these green buttons here, and you can either download my list to your device or you can copy it into your Google Sheets account. But either way, this is a list of the most popular AI tools, automation tools, and just different online business tools that you can promote as an affiliate. So what does that mean? Well, it means you're promoting somebody else's product for money, and it's super easy to do. As you see here, all you need to do is click the link for the tool that you want to promote, register as an affiliate, and then share your own link where interested people will click. So I started off by showing you this dashboard. This is one of my affiliate dashboards. So here's how it works for promoting a product. The more clicks we get on this product, the more people end up buying the product, and the more money you make. Super simple stuff. So like I said, at copythelist.com, you just click one button, you can copy this list, and every single tool on this list you can promote as an affiliate. And there's not only tools on this list. If we scroll down here, there's a few different affiliate platforms or affiliate networks which are going to give you access to hundreds if not thousands of different products you can promote just by clicking a button. Now most of the stuff on my list here is geared for marketing and business, but like I said, if you come down here to these different networks, you can find just about anything under the sun to promote: clothing products, travel offers, doctor stuff, lawyer stuff, right? Anything. But here's how this works. So if we look at the Step one, find something that will pay you for promoting it. So you've gone to copy the list, you've grabbed my list, and so now what you want to do is choose one of these that you want to promote. So we'll just go with the first one. This is an AI video and social media marketing tool. You can see here it's called Syllabi. So if we come here to Syllabi, all you have to do, you see here, it's a tool, right? There's free tools. By the way, everything I'm going to be showing you here, you can try for free. All of these tools have free trials. So you can literally use this tool to start generating AI videos right now. But before you do that, I want to show you what is how all these different links work, right? So you've come here, you found a tool you want to promote, say it's this one, Syllabi, you click this link, you're here on their homepage, you scroll to the bottom and you see here where it says affiliate program. So all you have to do is click that button and it's going to have you sign up as an affiliate. So here you can see mine, I just started promoting this recently. So I've had 300 clicks, about 4 signups, and 1 paid customer so far. So let's go back to the list and check this out. So the next step, step 2, is to redirect your affiliate link to a catchy domain name. In other words, your own website. So I want to show you an example of what that looks like right now. So if we come here and I type in oneclickvids.com and hit enter, I want you to watch what happens. So this brings me to Syllabi's sales page, but if you notice in the URL, it says via James. That means I referred this click, and if somebody now signs up through my link, then I earn money and I will get more unpaid earnings in this column. So if we compare this dashboard to another offer, this is what it will look like a few months down the road. Pretty simple so far, right? So let's take a look at the diagram here. So we're partway through the steps. We're on step 2. We've found something that will pay you for promoting it. We've gone ahead and created our own catchy website for our affiliate link. So we're going to get into creating AI content in a minute, but I just want to walk you through this process so you're totally clear on how this works. So right now, most people watching this video are probably here. They have seen a product that they're like, hey, I could probably get some people to sign up for that, but how does it work? So the first thing you're going to do is, like I said, sign up as an affiliate. Then really all you have to do is enter your email, your information. They give you this affiliate link, right? So that's what I showed you here with Syllabi. They're going to give you this link. So you scroll down here, right? So it says share this referral link to your friends and followers. And this is what I redirected oneclickvids.com to. So if you follow in the steps, you found something that will pay you for promoting it. For example, oneclickvids.com. You've set up your link to a catchy domain name, right? So you signed up for Syllabi. Mine is OneClickVids. Yours might be Instant Vids or something like that. So if we look here at the process, we've set up a catchy URL. So the next step is to create an opt-in and AI videos and then schedule them out. And I'm going to show you how to do all this again, but basically the way this works is once we get these videos scheduled, all of these videos are created by AI and posted automatically, and they all send traffic to this opt-in that we're going to create. Now all this means, all an opt-in means, is somebody enters their email address for more information, and now suddenly we can use AI to send them emails on a daily basis, directing them to the link that makes us money. For me, it's OneClickVids. For you, it's going to be whatever redirect you set up. But that's basically how it works. So the next step is to create content using AI. And again, I do this using oneclickvids.com. Now, I don't have time to walk you through an entire tutorial on how to create these AI videos, but I promise you it's super simple. All you have to do is come here to oneclickvids.com, go to free tools, and talking AI photos, and it's going to walk you through the process. There's literally 3 steps. You click like 3 buttons. You upload a photo that you want to turn into a video. The tool turns that photo into a video, and then you're ready to post it pretty much. So that's the next step. Step 4 is to then automate posting. So to do that, I use a tool called AutomateReels.com. So if you come to AutomateReels.com, again, you can try this tool out for free for, I believe, a month. But what this tool does is it lets you post to all of these different platforms at once. So you can see Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Google Maps, WordPress, Telegram, right? Tons of different apps. And you can not only post to all these different apps, you can post to multiple different accounts on these apps. So what this lets you do is really upload as many videos as you want at one time, schedule them out over time, so you don't have to actually log in and spend time every day uploading videos. So pretty self-explanatory so far, right? You're going to find something to promote. Once you found it, you're going to redirect it to a catchy domain name, which anyone can find, right? So instead of having your affiliate link like /James, you just have the simple website. Then you're going to create AI videos, again, by clicking about 3 buttons at oneclickvids.com. Then you're going to take those AI videos that you've created and you're going to schedule them using this tool at automatereels.com. It's super simple. You just link up your social media accounts, whatever accounts you want it to post to. You upload the content, tell it when you want it to post, and it does that. So The next step here is to create an automated follow-up sequence using AI. Now, the tool I use to do that is at funnelsforever.com. Again, you can try this tool free for 30 days. So really the only thing stopping you from doing what I'm showing you here is either you hate money or you hate AI. Um, so if that's the case, I can't help you, but otherwise this is all free to set up. So you can literally let this run for a month and then decide if this is something you want to continue doing and something you want to pay for. So funnelsforever.com is the tool I use to build the back end of this system. And if we just bring this over here, so this is what we're creating with funnelsforever.com, the opt-in as well as the AI email sequence. So to create the emails, here's how easy this is. I'm using Google Gemini. I just gave it this whoops, I clicked the wrong button there, but I just gave it this short prompt here. It's about a paragraph long prompt saying write a high converting 10-day email sequence that encourages readers to sign up for a free trial of Go High Level, and that's the tool I'm promoting at funnelsforever.com. So I've asked it to go ahead and do that, and here you go. You can see it's giving me the subject for a 10-day email sequence, and then it's actually writing out the emails. So if you wanted more than 10 of these, of course, you could say, write another 5, right? And with that, just type in 3 words, 2 words, and a number. Here it's writing me 5 more emails at the click of a button. So here we go. Ditch the fear, your no-fail blueprint for online success. Hey, welcome to the second week of your AI challenge. Now that you've seen how Go High Level can be your ultimate business sidekick, it's time to tackle a common hurdle, fear. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of leaving that steady paycheck. It's all normal, but don't let it hold you back. And it goes on to explain more about why high level is important, but literally all we have to do is copy this into our automated email sequence at funnelsforever.com, and now suddenly as many of these as we copy and paste in here are as many emails that will be going out to our subscribers, right? So you could stretch this out for 7 days, for 10 days, for 30 days if you really wanted to. So we're creating the emails using AI. You can use Google Gemini, you can use ChatGPT, it doesn't really matter. Then you're going to use this tool funnelsforever.com to paste those emails in and capture people's information with a simple landing page. And that's about it. Excuse me. Once you've done that, this whole process runs on autopilot. So if we look at the diagram here, right, this is what we're doing manually, is creating AI videos. And to do that, we need to click 3 or 4 buttons per video, right? So you can probably crank out 20, 30, 50 of these videos in a day if you really wanted. So then all you do is put them in the scheduler, and in less than a day's work, 4 hours, 8 hours worth of work, you can literally have a whole month's worth of content scheduled out. So this is AI content that if you use the tool automatereels.com is getting posted automatically to multiple different accounts every day. So people are seeing these videos. When they see the video, they come here and they opt in. So now they're not just seeing this link, this affiliate link here that can make you money one time. Instead of seeing it one time, say they see it and they decide not to buy and they leave, well, tomorrow they'll get an email remind them about this product, and then the next day, and then the next day. And while some people might think, hey, that's annoying, I don't want to annoy people, well, the fact is, the more times people see your offer, the more likely they are to buy it. So obviously, I can't show you everything step by step, click by click in this short YouTube video. So if you want a step-by-step course that shows you how to use all of these tools, head to profitpassively.com/AI. So if you just go to profitpassively.com, I'll give you a free step-by-step checklist. Just put your email in here and you can get my step-by-step checklist that shows you how to grow a brand new social media account to 1,000 followers and then actually make money promoting other people's products. You could do this all without showing your face, without any startup costs or monthly fees, without having to send emails or get on the phone. You don't have to do dancing, prank skits, or any of that. So anyways, profitpassively.com, grab the free checklist. If you want more info, if you really want your handheld and you want to see step by step how to use all of these different tools, I've made short, about 10-minute videos per tool that's going to walk you through, show you, hey, click here, click here, click here, use this, click here, and don't just take my word for it. I've helped hundreds of other people learn to not only use AI, but actually make money with AI and content automation. You can see their reviews here on this page, profitpassively.com/AI. So for less than the cost of a decent lunch, I will walk you through this entire process, show you step by step how to use these tools to set up one of these AI systems of your own. So if that's still not easy enough, the last thing I want to show you here is that if you add another word to that link, profitpassively.com/AI emails, I'll actually just set all this up for you. So what that means is all you have to do is come here to copythelist.com, grab my checklist, pick one of these tools that you want to promote, any of these tools, sign up as an affiliate link, and then literally all you have to do with this offer is send me your affiliate link and I will set up the rest for you. I will go ahead and register a catchy domain. I'll set up your opt-in page to start collecting emails. I'll set up a 30-day automated email sequence. Of course, that's going to be written by AI and fine-tuned by me. And basically, the complete thing will be set up. It will run 24/7, sending out automated emails to each subscriber for the next 30 days. You get unlimited contacts, and this is 100% managed for you. You literally just send me your affiliate link and then do nothing. You just promote the link. You create the AI videos, you post about it on Facebook, whatever. All you have to do is send traffic, and this whole system will follow up with people for you. Now, I do limit this to 5 people per month because, like I said, I travel full time. I'm usually out hiking and doing other stuff. So I really don't want to bog myself down with a ton of clients. So far, there are 4 spots left this month. One person has already taken me up on this. So if you just want this all done for you, head to profitpassively.com/AI emails, and I can't wait to set this all up for you. I hope that helps. If it did, be sure to give this video a like. It takes me a lot of time to create these tutorials. It takes a split second to click that thumbs up and let me know you appreciate it. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click the red subscribe button. Like I said, if you want to see what I get up to aside from marketing, in my free time, if you will, then go ahead and follow me, James Jernigan AI, on Instagram, and you can see all the cool hikes and trips that I'm doing and stuff like that. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you make a ton of money online with AI, and I will see you in the next AI money making tutorial.